How to enable or disable Bluetooth HCI Snoop log filtering on map on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on developer option. Scroll down and you will see developer option is here. So click on developer option. Now here, so you will see Bluetooth HCI Snoop log filtering map is here. So if you want to enable, so turn on this button. You will so after turn on this button, you will see Bluetooth HCI Snoop log filtering map is enabled. So if you want to disable Bluetooth HCI Snoop log filter, so turn of this button. So you will see Bluetooth HCI Snoop log filtering map is disabled. So you will enable or disable Bluetooth HCI Snoop log filter map from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable Bluetooth HCI Snoop log filter on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.